Welcome to Kids Leisure Time.
Hello, I'm Helene, and I want to share my story about my first day at school. I eagerly waited for the school van to arrive. When it finally came, I felt a mix of nervousness and excitement. Stepping into the schoolyard, I was greeted by the bustling atmosphere. Entering the classroom, my teacher welcomed me with a warm smile, making me feel at ease. Surrounded by colorful posters and learning materials, I began to explore letters and numbers with fascination. During break time, I joined my new friends in the play area, where we laughed and played games together. As the day ended, I returned home, feeling happy and excited about the adventures that awaited me in school.
Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay up to date with all the excitement.